Good morning, everybody. So I'm watching Supernatural, starting my morning by doing that. I have a kind of busy editing day. I have 3 videos to edit: the vlog for today, Wreck This Journal number 9, and Sam's birthday video, because I think I'm done with it with the gift, so I need to show what I did to it and just talk a little bit about it. So I need to do that. So today's going to be a busy editing day. So I'm going to get started by editing the vlog. Alright. Hopefully you're having a great day so far. I'll talk to you later. Zoey, no.
I said the exact same thing.
At first she crawled up and was staring at the TV.
It isn't done in portion.
Or maybe she just wants to get behind the TV. Do we have to move you? We're editing. The vlog is saving. Zoey's being a bad cat. We're still watching Supernatural.
Well, Wicked. I'm from Detroit. Oh.
Look how cute you look sitting there.
You ever heard of a spell which can control the actions of another witch?
Alright, so now I'm wrapping Sam's gift. And this is going in today's vlog because it's covered. She can't see what it is. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to just... And if it happens to be where she can see it, well then I'll cut it out. Okay. It's kind of loose. Whatever, it just needs to be wrapped, right? Maybe I'll... That's what I'll do. Now, if you know me personally and you get a gift from me, expect it to have 1,000,000 pieces of tape. I don't know why I go tape crazy. Tape crazy. I want it to be so hard for you to get into your gifts, apparently. Apparently, huh, though? Okay, one more piece, and I think that's officially wrapped. Yay! Yay! Wreck This Journal Everywhere number 9. It's finally uploaded. It's probably been like 8 or 9 months since I did a Wreck This Journal Everywhere video, so it's cool to have it back, so I will link it on this guy and down in the description below. Go check it out. And now I have to start editing Sam's birthday video, because that's going to probably take a little bit because there's so much footage. So I'm going to get on to that, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. What are you doing? I'm trying to keep her from going over there. Distract the cat. Zoe, get down. Kitty cat freak out time. It's on the top of her tower. What are you doing? So I stop recording and then she starts freaking out again. Zoey. Zoey. Are you being a monkey? Oh my gosh. Zoey, what are you doing? Oh, I think she's inside the house. There's her tail. Alright, it is time to go to bed. Oh, Mom is staying up with Adam. I was actually sleeping already. I kind of fell asleep. Not kind of. I came back and like intentionally laid down. So Mom's gonna let me go to bed early tonight and I get to go to bed. I'm exhausted. Right? We're tired. Yeah, today was a really productive day. We got 3 videos edited, 2 uploaded, the Wreck This Journal. I'll link that somewhere here. I edited Sam's birthday video of like the gift that I made, so that's good. Tomorrow Mom has her doctor's appointment. Dad has some doctor appointment. He's getting an MRI and a CAT scan. So I guess he'll be starting to figure out when he can start treatment and stuff like that. So that's good. But I am going to go to bed. Hopefully you all had a great morning, evening, noon, night. Whenever you were watching this, hopefully you have a lovely, beautiful smile on your face. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all lovelies in the morning. Good night. Bye. Meow.